Hi guys, we're going to do some line practice today. We're going to get started today with a black marker. So go ahead and grab your black marker, and you're going to have that piece of paper right in front of you. And you should have written your name on the back. If you haven't done so, do that right now before we begin. Alright, let's get started. First step, you're going to take off that lid, set it off to the side. Some people like to put it back here. I'm just going to set it right here, and I'll remember it when I'm done. You're going to make a vertical line. It's going to start at the top of your paper in the middle, and you're going to draw straight down all the way to the other side. Next, you're going to take from the left side over here, you're going to draw a horizontal line. This line goes straight across, horizontal. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to make it straight. That's going to give us 4 areas to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this top area, we're going to do some lines, and I'm going to start off with horizontal lines. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to draw 4 vertical lines. You're going to start on the top, and you're going to come down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are vertical lines. The last line in this box is going to be a diagonal. Start anywhere over here, and you're just going to, kind of like a slide. You could go this way, or you could even start at the top and work this way. There's 3, and let's do 1 more over here. Alright. It looks kind of like a plaid pattern going on there. Alright, let's move on to the second box. First, let's start with a wavy line. So on the top here, I'm going to do a wavy line. I'm going to go up, and then down, and then up, and then down, and up, and down. Okay, kind of like some camel humps there. Let's do next, since we're kind of doing a pattern for this one, let's do some dotted lines. So when you do dots, you don't want to slam it down, and that will break the tip on this. We want to be careful with that. You're going to lightly touch, and let's do dots that make it look like a line. This is called a dotted line. All the way over to the other side. And then I'm going to do another wavy line. Up and down and up and down and up and down. Okay. And then I'm going to end my pattern here with some more dotted lines. There we go. We have a pattern of wavy and dotted lines going back and forth. Let's move on down to the third box over here. This time we're going to try another pattern, but we're going to start with zigzags. So let's do a zigzag to get started. Up and down, up and down. These have angles on them. So they have diagonals, and then they turn the corner. They're not smooth, they're sharp like teeth. And I'm going to do 2 of those. The next one I'm going to try to fit right inside there, right close to it. Okay, so we've got 2 zigzag lines. In between here, where it comes up, I'm going to do some spirals. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to work my way out and get bigger each time, and I'll stop. Here, and get bigger and stop. I can even go this way if I want. I can turn the other way and go. You can go left, or you could go right. It's really up to you. Okay, so I did 4 of those. Next, I'm going to go again, and I'm going to do some more zigzags here to finish off my pattern. And I'm going to do 2 more sets of those. So 1, and then 2. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. For the last box, I want you guys to do a free form line. This is a line that just kind of goes all over. It's not scribbling. It's going to be overlapping other lines. So you can do it how you want, but please watch how I do it first. I'm going to start maybe on one side, and I'm just going to walk over here. Sometimes I call it taking a line for a walk. You really don't know where you're going. You're just kind of slowly doing this. It's very important that you do it slow, and then you can decide where you want to go. Try to get shapes to show up, and it's really kind of fun to do this type of line. And it looks like a big ball of string. And then once you feel like you have the whole area filled up nice and neat, good lines still, they're not scribbles, then you can stop and see what you've created. Ooh, I like how that turned out. Alright, good luck with your line designs. Hopefully they all turned out great.